Wild animals are the most reliable early warning system on Earth. While humans rely on flawed digital sensors, creatures sense impossible shifts in atmospheric pressure and seismic vibrations long before our fragile tech wakes up. When thousands of birds suddenly vanish or rare deep-sea fish surface in shallow water, it is not a coincidence. It is a vital bio-indicator of a massive approaching disaster. Scientific data shows that these ancient proxy signals saved countless lives during the Great Tsunami, while modern alerts stayed completely silent and totally useless. Ignoring these natural patterns is a fatal mistake, because to survive any future catastrophe, we must always remember